Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial about Act Premium Cloud, and I want to draw your attention up in the top left hand corner to the back and forward buttons in Act Premium Cloud. So it is advised by the folks at Act not to use those buttons when working with contacts in Act. And the reason for that is sometimes you can get some unusual results. Sometimes things you might have put in Act might not be saved. We've seen just some little characteristics of this that is my best advice to really heed that notice. In this particular contact, you'll notice that in the top right hand button it says save. So what I did is I made a minor change to this contact, and if I hit the back or forward button, there's an outside chance that information will not be saved. If you have any doubt and feel compelled to use those buttons, before you do it, click Save. You'll notice that now the Save button is grayed out. If you've made a change to a contact, you'll typically see that's white. I'm going to come here into the AMA score. I'm going to press the space bar, and now all of a sudden you'll notice it says Save. I'm going to hit Save, but then I'm going to go up and click on the back button, and you're going to get a warning. It says use of the browser back and forward buttons is not recommended and could have unexpected results, including loss of unsaved data. So just don't use those buttons is the best advice I can give you. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Bye now.